So for the bars I'm gonna run these bars, courtesy of Boo. That's how we do in Lnspltblvd, man. We recycle.
Reuse, reduce. It causes the loop.
Sick!
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Today we're gonna be swapping these tires with these old ones. These are the same brand that I've been running on my Shadow. Same brand but different. Alright, just got the tires on. Looking sweet. Now we're gonna remove the clip-on bars, install the risers and the bars that I got from Voo. So these are the stock risers that I got from eBay. They're about $32. Same year as mine too, 78. I gotta paint them, but nice and simple. that's pretty much it for today's video. Got new bars, new tires. Next I'm gonna make a bracket, a headlight bracket to mount the headlight. And after that, I'm gonna take everything apart to paint. I'm gonna paint the wheels black. I'm gonna paint the tank a different color. And then just clean this up and paint it black. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.